Welcome, viewer, to our Chennai 98 YouTube channel where we provide you with valuable information on various topics. In this video, we will be discussing Adobe Air, what it is, its advantages and disadvantages, and how to download and set it up. About Adobe Air. Adobe Air is a cross-platform runtime system developed by Adobe Systems that allows developers to create and deploy applications on multiple platforms such as Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. It uses the ActionScript and HTML programming languages to develop applications. Advantages and where to use Adobe Air. The main advantage of Adobe Air is its cross-platform compatibility, which means that developers can create applications that work on multiple platforms without having to rewrite the code. Additionally, Adobe Air provides access to various features such as file system access, 3D graphics, and native extensions, which makes it suitable for developing complex applications such as games, multimedia, and productivity tools. Pros and cons of Adobe Air. Like any technology, Adobe Air has its pros and cons. On the one hand, Adobe Air provides developers with an easy-to-use platform to create cross-platform applications. On the other hand, Adobe Air has been criticized for its performance and security issues. How to download and set up Adobe Air. To download Adobe Air, simply go to the Adobe website and select the appropriate version for your platform. Once you have downloaded the installer, run it, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. How to buy Adobe Air. Adobe Air is available as a subscription-based service. You can choose from various plans depending on your needs, including a free plan that provides basic features, a standard plan that provides additional features, and a premium plan that provides advanced features. Pricing and plans. The pricing for Adobe Air plans varies depending on the plan you choose. The free plan is, well, free, while the standard plan starts at $19.99 per month, and the premium plan starts at $199.99 per month. Download website link for Adobe Air. We have included the download link for Adobe Air in the description below for your convenience. Adobe Air is a powerful cross-platform runtime system that provides developers with an easy-to-use platform to create complex applications. Its advantages include cross-platform compatibility and access to various features, while its disadvantages include performance and security issues. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may find it helpful. Thanks for watching.